हेलो, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, दौसा। माय नेम मिस्टर हरदेश कुमार from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about the instruction set, subject microprocessor, lecture number 9. Instructions format. Instructions is generally defined as a dependent of bit, 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, and any microprocessor instruction. Elements of a machine instruction operation code specify the operation to be performed, and this is a binary code. Source operand reference, operand that are input, means this is the portion of source and this is the operand, and this next instruction. The source operand reference, operand that are input. Source operand reference, operand that are input. This is the input. So move AB. So AB is the operand that are output. Next instructions reference. This tells the processor where to fetch the next instructions after the execution of this instruction is complete. So these source and operand dependent eight bit, suppose 8 bit. 8 bit into portion source and operand. Any microprocessor instruction executes of the processor dependent of microprocessor instructions. For example, move AB, LXI, 38H. This is the MVI, KL. So move implying K and L instructions. Move to the K and L instruction. This is the generally use of microprocessor instruction. Next, instruction format, operand location, main or virtual memory, processor register. A processor contains one or more register. In there is only one reference is implicit, else the register number is to be supplied. Immediate, the value of the operand is contained in a field in the instruction being executed. Input output devices, the instruction must specify the input output model and device for the operation. Instruction format, operand location, so main or virtual memory, processor register. A processor contain one or more register. This is the one and more register. In there is only one reference is implicit. Register number is to be supplied. Immediate, the value of the operand is contained in a field in the instruction being executed. Input output devices, input output device, the instruction must specify the input and output model and device for the operation. The input output device, the instruction must specify the input output model, input and output of the model. Immediate, operand contain a field in the instruction being executed. Immediate, जैसे MBI, so immediate move. Processor register, a processor contain one or more register. In there is only one reference, जैसे रजिस्टर्स है कोई भी, each register number is to be supplied. Location is memory, virtual memory. Suppose this is the memory content, so this data LXI, MBI, CMP, move 00H and 8H. So this 8H is 8H contents of data 8 bit data content. So LXI, MVI, complement CMP or move. This is the generally instructions format. Operand location, main or virtual memory, processor register, immediate, input output devices. So this is the basically instructions format, but LXI some data, LXI 8H. The LXI data 8H generally used. This is the source or this is the operand format. This is the format. A simple instruction format: 4 bit, 6 bit, 6 bit, opcode, operand reference, 16 bit. A simple instructions format. So this is the microprocessor instructions format. Any microprocessor programming code dependent of this format: 4 bit, 6 bit operand, 620 and different bit. 16 बिट भी हो सकता है, 32 बिट भी हो सकता है एंड 64 बिट भी हो सकता है, राइट. दिस इज द इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर्मेट. इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर्मेट, different microprocessor instruction subtraction SUB, MPY, ADD, ADD, DIV, YAV, TDE, TTC, YYT, CAB, TDE, T into E, T plus C, Y division by T. This is the command, or this is the instructions, or this is the operand. 3 address instruction, 1 address instruction and 2 address instruction. Instruction and command: load, MPY, add, store, load, subtract, divisions and store. This is the microprocessor instruction. This is the command. And this instruction: move YA, subtraction, move, add, division. The program to execute y equal to a minus b upon c plus d into e. This is the 1 address instruction, 2 address instruction and 3 address instruction. So any microprocessor program will be executes a upon c plus d into a. Data transfer operation. Operation name, description: move, transfer work or block from source to destination. Store, transfer word from processor to memory. Load, fetch, transfer word from memory to processor. Exchange, swap content of source and destination. Clear, transfer word of zeros to destination. Set transfer word of ones to destination. Push transfer word from source to top of stack. Pop transfer word from top of stack to destination. This is the generally data transfer operation. Move है, store है, load है, exchange है, clear है, set है, push है and pop. तो move, transfer word or block from source to destination. Store, transfer word from processor to memory. Load, transfer word from memory to processor. Exchange, content of source and destination. Clear, transfer word of 0 to destination. सारे clear हो जाएंगे. Set, ट्रांसफर वर्ड ऑफ 1 to destination, ये भी पूरा ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा, सेट कंडीशंस हो जाएगा. पुश, सोर्स टू टॉप ऑफ स्टैक. स्टैक इज द फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. पॉप, ट्रांसफर वर्ड फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ स्टैक टू destination. This is the operation name and this is the description. All microprocessor instruction. Arithmetic: add, subtract, multiply, divide, absolute replace operand by its absolute value, negate, increment, decrement. Add means a plus b. This is the additional operation. Subtract, a minus b. Two instructions a and b. A minus b is the subtract addition. And multiply, a multiply by b. This is the two operation is multiply by. Divide, a divide b. This is the divide. Absolute replace operand by its absolute value. Increment, again operand add to 1. ऐसे 3 plus 1 equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Decrement minus 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 minus 0 and so on. Logical and or not, X or test, compare, set control variable, shift, rotate. Transfer of control, different microprocessor instructions. This is jump, branch load PC with specified address. This is jump BC. तो जंप क्या करेगा, B से C के अंदर जंप करेगा. जंप कंडीशंस, जंप टू सब रूटीन, रिटर्न बैक, एग्जीक्यूट्स, स्किप, इंक्रीमेंट PC टू नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस, स्किप करना, स्किप कंडीशंस, हेल्ड स्टॉप प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट्स, वेट और नो ऑपरेशन. दिस इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ कंट्रोल. Input output. Input read transfer data from specified input output port or device to destination, main memory or processor register. Output write transfer data from specified source to input output port, input output or device. Start input output transfer instruction to input output processor to initiate. Input output obviously. Test input output transfer status, information from input to output system to specified destination. Input. Any microprocessor instruction तो रीड करेगा ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम स्पेसिफाइड इनपुट आउटपुट पोर्ट टू डिवाइसेस टू डेस्टिनेशन. मीन्स कुछ पोर्शन, कुछ पोर्ट से कुछ डिवाइसेस तक उसका प्रोसेसिंग करेगा. किसके अंदर? रजिस्टर्स के अंदर. तो जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस है उसको हमको रीड करना पड़ेगा. आउटपुट में रीड साइकिल, आउटपुट राइट साइकिल, एक और होता है ALE, एड्रेस लैच इनेबल्स. आउटपुट ट्रांसफर डाटा फ्रॉम स्पेसिफाइड सोर्स टू इनपुट आउटपुट पोर्ट, इनपुट आउटपुट और डिवाइस. स्टार्ट इनपुट आउटपुट ट्रांसफर इंस्ट्रक्शन टू इनपुट आउटपुट प्रोसेसर, इनिशिएट इनपुट आउटपुट ऑपरेशन. टेस्ट इनपुट आउटपुट डाटा ट्रांसफर स्टेटस इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम टू स्पेसिफाइड डेस्टिनेशन. Example instruction. Microprocessor that we are going to build will support following two instructions. First add and the next load. तो add two instruction RA and RB. RC equal to RA plus K RB. तो RB और RA addition of RC and this data will be 0. So this is the add instruction and load instruction RA, this instruction only, equal to some destination D. So this is the load instructions. Format of an assembly statement: identify label, operation command of code, operand, labeling code or to indicate program destination address for jump, what instructions to be carried out by CPU, only valid instructions are allowed, data or register content to be used in instruction, some instruction does not need operand, explanatory text optional but very useful as assembly program are hard to understand. L20, add, RC RA RB, RC equal to RA plus K RB. This is the addition of microprocessor instructions. Thank you watching this video.